Everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to make a very simple seaweed face mask. If you don't know about seaweed, seaweed is a very good detox clay. Is it clay? Detox extract for the face. When you use seaweed extract, it's going to help your face, you know, look more like a baby face. Is going to be soft and unique because seaweed powder has a lot of antioxidants property that makes them suitable for the face and even for the whole body. So in this video I'm going to make a quick DIY seaweed face mask. Now we're not going to use water at all in this video. I'm going to use only glycerin, hydrosol. I'm not using a floral water. Okay, floral water are just too diluted to be used in your skincare product. They are too diluted. So if you buy floral water, think twice. Make sure you spend a little bit more and get yourself a good hydrosol. And a lot of hydrosols on the market now are not even the best, but I would recommend a good spot to find them for you. So look in the description box below to see all the ingredients I use and where to buy them. Now the first thing you want to use is to get yourself an organic seaweed extract. The best place to find organic seaweed extract in Canada and the United States is to go to pureblendnatural.com. They are one of the best suppliers of organic seaweed extract. Do not use the one that's not organic. Make sure you go for the organic one. Organic one will give you the peace of mind. So this is exactly how it looks. This is the organic version of seaweed extract that I'm going to be using here. The regular version, no. Do not mix this with sea kept. Okay, this is seaweed. This seaweed is best suited for making facial products. Okay, so now what you do for this organic DIY seaweed extract is that you will take 1 tablespoon of organic seaweed extract. We're going to make this only for one use, so please keep that in mind. When you are doing DIY, we don't use preservatives, so make sure you only take the one you can use for one time. So 1 teaspoon is perfect for one-time use. Then we're going to add I'm going to be using Chamomile hydrosol. Okay, Chamomile hydrosol is what I'm going to be using, so keep that in mind. I usually love either Chamomile Roman or Chamomile German, but for this one I'm using Chamomile Roman. So look in the description box below for where to get it. It has the better smell, even though it's good. Both of them are good. When you are making face mask, you can use Chamomile Roman. Okay, when you're making skincare product, you can use Chamomile German. Okay, so add it to it and you mix well. I'm going to give you a trick here. You have to add enough hydrosol. I'm not using floral water, I'm using hydrosol, so keep that in mind. Look in the description box below for where you are to get your own. Do not waste your money on floral water. Floral water is just something anyone can make at home, but hydrosol are more specialized. So you mix it very well, enough to make a paste that you can apply on your face. And now the interesting thing about seaweed extract, it's funny in that it doesn't really dissolve that well. So let's add more hydrosol. And this hydrosol smells lovely. When you use hydrosol, you don't need to bother yourself about using essential oil, because hydrosol are a product of essential oil distillation, so they still retain the property of the plant you use to make the essential oil. So you are better off getting yourself an hydrosol if you don't have essential oil. So you don't really have to use essential oil all the time if you have hydrosol. What I don't recommend is floral water. They're just cheap version of hydrosol. They're not hydrosol for it, they're fake hydrosol. So stop wasting your money on. So we continue to mix. You mix well, mix very well, especially for people that make skincare products. Keep in mind, if you don't need essential oil when you have hydrosol. When you put hydrosol in your water face, don't bother yourself about getting essential oil. Just make sure you go for hydrosol and not floral water. Look in the description box below for where to get the most authentic and the most affordable hydrosol to make large batch or even small batch of, or even for DIY. Look in the description box below. That's where I get all my hydrosol from. Now when you add that, we're going to add a little bit of glycerin, okay, vegetable glycerin. And make sure, like I always tell you on this channel, go for the USP version, okay? Go for the USP version. I have a link in the description box below for where to get the USP version. So we're going to add the hydrosol at we're going to add glycerin, also 1 teaspoon of glycerin. Vitamin E oil, make sure you go for natural vitamin E oil. Do not buy the regular vitamin E oil you see everywhere. I have a link in the description box below for where to get your own vitamin E oil, natural vitamin E oil. So we're going to take that also at ½ teaspoon of natural vitamin E oil. The interesting thing is about vitamin E oil is that it's an antioxidant to prevent your product from getting bad, especially if you want to use it. If you cannot finish it at once, or you want to use it maybe twice, okay? Now you have yourself a lot of goodie here that are ready to now I'm using a milk frotter to further smoothen it, okay? The good thing about milk frotter is that it's going to help you. It's more like a mini hand mixer, okay, that you can use to further smoothen your mixture. I'm going to stop the frotter at this stage. After mixing it, put it in a water bath or put it on the stove and just give it 2 minutes, okay? Even though it's a DIY, we want everything to come together. That's all you need. That's all you need. So just mix it well. Now you can put it like in a container like this, okay? If you cannot finish it at once, keep it in the fridge and make sure you use it within 3 days, okay? Keep it in the fridge. In the description box below for where to get your own, and they're all available, I think, at Pure Blend Natural. And the ones that are not at Pure Blend Natural, you will also see a link to where to get them. Thank you so much for watching. Wish you the best, everyone.